How to enable WhatsApp chat lock feature. Firstly, on your device, navigate to the WhatsApp app. Open the WhatsApp app and you will see all your messages in the chat section. Now tap on the account or message where you would like to apply the chat lock feature. I'm just going to click on the first account. Now at the top, you will see the person's name. Tap on the person's name at the top right corner to view more options. If you scroll down, then you will see different kind of options like these. Select the option Chat Lock. You can simply tap on the switch icon to turn this on. You will see a short description right here. You will need to use your face or fingerprint to open this chat. Click on Continue and set up your face lock or fingerprint. After setting that up, your chat lock will be enabled. There's also another way from which you can do this. In this way, you simply need to tap and hold on the account. After that, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. From this menu, select the option Lock Chat. This is just a quick way to apply the same feature. That's all for today. Thank you.